Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came with a new issue in Accenture, that is in communication round. If you are participating in the communication round of Accenture, after completing all the rounds in communication, if you are getting this issue, that is system couldn't score your test submission, this can happen due to the poor or pronunciation and poor quality of microphone and too much background noise. If you are getting this issue, then you are going to ask these two questions: yes, request for retest, and no, don't wish to retest. See, if you are getting this issue, it is better to go for yes, request for retest, because if this issue comes when your test is not scored, okay, you will get three chances in communication round. In first chance, if your score is not got recorded, then you can go for request for retest. Again you will get another chance, again you can take an exam. Again, if you are getting this one, then there are measures to be taken. I will tell you right now. There are three chances for this communication round, so don't panic or don't worry, you can do well in communication round. There are certain precautions and certain key points to be taken care of when you will get this issue. Okay, if you get this issue, please opt for yes, request for retest, then you will get an mail so that you can again participate in this communication round. Okay, we will see the instructions to be followed, do's to follow. Try exam without earphones. Actually, this communication round to be taken while using the earphones only. Okay, if you get that issue, that might be the problem of earphones, because your earphones are with poor quality and couldn't able to recognize your voice. So try exam without earphones. Okay, if you feel that your earphones are very good and they are eligible for noise cancellation also, then the problem is not with your earphones. Then change your laptop as well as earphones. For me, it has popped two times. Okay, first time I have given the test, it popped in this way only. Again I have removed my earphones and I have given the test. Again I faced this problem only, so that I thought that there was a fault with my laptop and as well as my earphones, so that I switched to another laptop and another earphones and have written the communication round in my third chance. I got yes, your score is successfully scored. Okay, you are eligible for the interview round. Okay, I got like that. See, if you are getting this way, try to request for retest. Okay, then then what we are seeing, try exam without earphones or change laptop as well as earphones. Try to opt for this. If you are getting that issue, try to change the laptop as well as earphones. Okay, and only three chances, do well. I have already told you, in first chance if you got that, please go for retest and you will get an another mail. Do well with using that mail. If you again got, again go for third chance. Third one is the last chance. If you couldn't do well in the third one also, you are not eligible for the interview. In that case, communication round is playing an elimination round role. Okay, so communication round will be elimination round if you are not going to follow these instructions properly, and avoid background noise as you can. Okay, as far as you can. Okay, these are the do's with the communication round. Try to sit in a calm and noise free area and try to use noise cancellation earphones. Don't use Bluetooth earphones. Okay, if you are using the Bluetooth earphones, your exam will be cancelled. Okay, please use wired earphones. Okay, wired earphones. And maximum, if you are if you are facing this problem, try to shift your computer, go to the other laptop and try to give your exam in that laptop. Okay, and change your earphones as well as. Okay, for few of the members the communication round was successful without earphones only. Okay, it is not that earphones are compulsory, but it is good if you maintain the earphones. Okay, I hope you got a good idea with this issue. Try the exam without earphones if you are facing, and this is the another option. Try to change laptop as well as earphones, that is wired earphones, not bluetooth. Bluetooth earphones are not allowed, only three chances. Okay, you will get an email as well as WhatsApp message. Okay, avoid background noise. Thank you. If you feel this video as informative, please hit a like, share the video and subscribe that channel if you are new to the channel only. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like. Thank you.